Hey there everyone, Joe Mazer here again from josephbuyshomes.com. Hey, today I wanted to talk to you about something that comes up if you're thinking about selling a house on the traditional real estate market, and that is costs. And that's all the costs. I want to touch upon all the costs that can come into play when selling on the market. And it's a lot of those costs people don't really think about. I mean, you probably know about the traditional costs like real estate commissions that you'll have to pay and closing costs. But there's other costs beyond that. But if you ever need to sell your house fast, or you just want to talk about a question that you might have, please don't hesitate to call us or visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com, and we'll be happy to help. So let's jump into it. First, like I mentioned, real estate commissions. Typically, you're likely going to pay out of your proceeds about 6% real estate commissions. And that is 3% on the buy side and 3% on the sell side. Now, 6% is a heavy sum. Let's say, for instance, you are selling your house for about $100,000. 6% of that is $6,000. So $6,000 coming right out of your pocket. That brings me to closing costs. Now, closing costs, again, you're going to be paying, I think typically on average, it's like 2 to 3%. And those are the closing costs associated with title company fees and other fees like that. So those two you can avoid by going through a home buyer like us here at josephbuyshomes.com. So you may have thought about those costs before, and you're looking to avoid that. So maybe you stumbled across our this video because you're looking to avoid those costs. But not only that, if you're going to sell on the market, you may have to think about the holding costs associated with not so quick sale. So when you sell through us, or when you sell to us, we typically have a maximum 30-day close. So we'll tell you, let's say it's beginning of January or beginning of February. By the end of February, we will buy that house. We'll close on that house. And that's one of the benefits of going with us is a quick close. So you only have that month of extra holding costs. Now, when you go sell on the real estate market, sometimes you can get it pretty quick, but often you're waiting 60, 90, 120 days before that house sells, depending on the price. So that is 60, 90, 120 extra days of holding costs, like your taxes, your mortgage, your utilities. So those are some of the things that you'll be paying that you may not have even thought about if you go on the real estate market and sell with a longer duration. Marketing. A lot of times it takes time, it takes money to market your house. So, a lot of people just think, oh, I'll put it on Zillow, or, oh, the real estate agent will take care of it. Sometimes they do, but really good real estate agents will actually market it, and they may have you pay for some of that marketing. So you can avoid all that by calling us and having us help you. And then last but not least, repairs. A lot of times if you go to sell on the traditional real estate market to a buyer that is using a mortgage, they are going to expect repairs to be done potentially. Now, if you have massive repairs of the house, or even just slight repairs that don't fit their criteria, before they close, and their inspector might find something, before they close, they might want you to make those repairs. And when you go with someone like us, we don't require that at all. We will buy as is, which means we'll buy in the condition that it's in. We don't require you to make any repairs. We don't ask you to put any money up front. So that's another benefit of going with a company like us, like Amaze Properties LLC. So if you want to avoid all these costs, please don't hesitate to visit us on the web at josephbuyshomes.com or give us a call. And we look forward to hearing from you. And even if we're not the ones to buy your house, hopefully we can help you in any way we can, offer advice or anything like that. Because that's what we're here for. So again, visit us on the web, josephbuyshomes.com. Give us a call, and we look forward to hearing from you and helping you the best way we can. Take care.